under our chapter 3. Normally feature under our what? Chapter 3. So you look at your search question, the data collection tools, the participant, the value to be added to your study. So this candidate has 4 sub-research questions. 4 sub-research questions. It has 4 sub-research questions. And the first question is this, on the first column. So he's using observation for this. Then the participants still remain grade 4 learners and teachers. Then he wrote why he's interested in the value. How is it add value to his study? So the second the second sub-research questions is using interview, but to teacher alone. You see, and he told us why. Then the third thing is using both observation and interview. Then he's using both the samples, teachers and learners, and he tells us the benefit. And the fourth one is only one instrument which is semi-structured, and it's only for teachers alone, and he told us why it is very what? Important. So when you have this, it will align with your thoughts of who and who answer your questions. How do you analyze them when you come to analysis? Remember, under your analysis in qualitative, you analyze by transcribing. But here, if you only have, take for instance, research question 1, it's only observation. So under analysis, we will not see transcribing here. We will see triangulation. We will see how to analyze observation using observation checklist. It will use observation checklist for this research question 1. So, because you have told us in your chapter 3, when we get to your chapter 4, as a reader or examiner, we will know that your research question 1 does not involve transcription. Does not involve themes, sub-themes, and issue raised, like we've discussed before. Then you go to tomato, anything like this, you'll be able to justify for it. So obviously you know that the transcription, the code sorting, will start from sub-saturation 2 here. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Because the candidate use semi-structured interview, and the candidate use grade 4 teachers, and it allows the candidate to get the perspective of the teacher. If not, how it should be incorporated. You get what I'm saying now? So these are what we call broad layout for data collection, which we are expecting it on your chapter 3. Under sampling and sampling techniques, you can put it there. You can also put it under instrument. Under instrument, it aligns with under instrument. It aligns with under sample. That is instrument for data collection. In fact, it should be better put under instrument for data collection, because the heading is broad layout for data collection. After you have told us that you are using observation, you are using semi-structured interview, let us know on this table to show that, okay, my questions, my sub-research questions are aligned with this instrument. So you analyze observation using observation checklist. So you analyze, you report it. Are we together now? Under observation, you look at the checklist, you look whether the observation you observe comply with the checklist or not. You say it. You say it. You give us the checklist. Yes. Any question? So you look at that. So take for instance, you put your observation analysis there in chapter 4. You let us know the checklist you are using as against the table for transcribing. The table that talk about theme, sub-themes, and issue raised. So you put observation checklist there. What did you observe? What are the disparity? So that is triangulation, which is what we are going to look at again after this. We are going to look at that after this. So guys, that is how to use a broad layout for data collection.